Yeah, that's good. This is a timed event. I know.
Is it a humble?
Isn't that the only way you can cut down a C-tree? Is that the recommended way?
Honestly, at this one, Gene just uses some humbles. On this one, because I mean, it's got such a lean and it's going downhill, you don't need it. Humbles are mostly, I mean, the major, go to the margin. Take trees away from their lean, makes it easier.
Okay. Kind of makes them sit back.
It just has more room to fall.
Look at that.
The bitch about him is how fucking difficult it is to clean out your face cut because you have to like get down underneath the fucking thing. I suck at
See,
home.
that's so hard to. How he gets it like that?
It's weird. I'm really bad at it.
A lot of years right there.
I don't practice them very often.
I don't know if I've ever done one.
You would know if you'd done one, I would think.
Huh?
You would know if you'd done one. I hope you can hear that, because that sounded funny.
I'm pretty sure you can.
My video's not even going to do this justice.
Nah, once it falls, I'll kind of walk up and show how big it is.
That's actually holding pretty good.
Well, it's only halfway through a tree.
What's that?
It's only halfway through the tree.
I thought it was more rotten than that.
Nah, he's got some chips flying out of there. Watch you wait till you look at his stump, dude, how level all of his cuts are even through a double cut.
Oh, yeah.
Mine are always like...
Yep.
No branches.